Beyond Yangon Boutique Inn delivers a 5-star service at a budget price. Pristine rooms, genuine family-run warmth, and a walk-everywhere location you will love. Tap the link below for today's exclusive deal. Welcome back to 40 Stays. I'm Daravi. I've been traveling for over 9 years and have slept in more than 200 hotel rooms worldwide. Today, we are in Siem, Cambodia, and I'm sharing my honest look at the Beyond Yangon Boutique Inn. This family-run gem sits on a quiet street just a 5-minute stroll from Pub Street, the Old Market, and all the best restaurants. In January 2025, we snagged a room for just $27 per night. That's nearly 70% below the city average rate. Here's a tip. When you book the room, look for a breakfast package. Stepping through the door, you will find our superior queen room tucked just up short flight of stairs. 2 cozy chairs and a small coffee table greet you by the entrance, perfect for putting your house slippers or sipping a quick cup of tea. There's a shelf right by the wall. To one side, there are the soft robes and slippers waiting along with an in-room safe for your valuables. Next to it, a kettle with tea and coffee sachet ready to go, and fresh water bottles which the staff will top up every morning. Below that is a compact mini fridge, perfect for chilling your drinks or stashing snacks after a hot day of sightseeing. And the decor, a beautiful blend of rich thick wood tones and vibrant Burmese and Khmer accents that give the room real character. Our queen bed is framed in rich thick wood, and the mattress has that perfect soft yet support feel, plush enough to feel indulgent but supportive enough for a great night's sleep. The sheets are crisp and silky, and you get 2 fluffy pillows plus a firmer one if you need extra neck support. After a full day exploring Angkor Temple, you will feel like resting on a cloud. Just across from the bed is a simple wooden desk with a matching chair, room enough for your guidebooks or laptop if you need to catch up on emails or planning your day's adventures. And above the desk sits a flat screen TV. Step into the bathroom, you will find a clear glass walk-in shower complete with both a drenching rain hat and a handheld sprayer. The water heats up almost instantly, though you might need to tweak the settings once or twice to get just right. The sink sits outside the shower area, giving you double the counter space so 2 people can get ready at once. The toiletries are thoughtfully curated with shampoo and body wash and a powerful wall-mounted hair dryer. Now you have seen every corner of the room up close. Let's break down the highlights and a few minor drawbacks to help you decide if it's the right fit for your stay. Here's what I love. The room is immaculate, thanks to daily housekeeping service, and the linens and robes feel wonderfully plush. The Wi-Fi is lightning fast, perfect for video calls or streaming after a day at the temples. You couldn't ask for better locations. It's an easy stroll to pub streets, the old market, and all the best eateries. And the family-run team? Oh, they go above and beyond, greeting you by name and speaking English, Khmer, and Burmese to make sure you are looked after. A couple things to note. The shower can be a bit fuzzy when switching between the rain hat and the handheld sprayer. And if you are planning to swim laps, the pool area is pretty cozy. So, who will love this room? Budget-savvy couples and solo explorers who crave styles without a splurge will feel right at home here. With 5-star service at a budget price, a cloud-like bed, and that local family welcome. Business travelers will appreciate the reliable Wi-Fi and handy workspace, while culture seekers will adore the Burmese Khmer decor that sets the mood for your Cambodian adventure. Want the best rate? Click the link below for the best deal on Beyond Yangon Boutique Inn, only at 40 Stays. If you haven't already, hit subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss a hotel tour.